Hi, today is 13 June and it marks 1 year to my song Nothing to You to be out there on all platforms. Nothing to You is the first song I ever wrote and it's the first thing I ever released in life. And today is very emotional and important for me, not just because Nothing to You was released 1 year back. It is also that today marks 1 year of me being an artist, of me officially being a singer-songwriter. And trust me, when initially I started introducing myself as one, as having this tag, and when I heard people calling me as one, I used to be like, oh, am I an artist? Am I a singer-songwriter? Because this was something I used to only dream of. I remember started writing lyrics, and Nothing to You's voices was the first thing I ever wrote in life. I remember Nothing to You being on my vision board last year, and I was unable to believe how that vision board could actually come to real life in that whole year itself. And I could not believe my journey from then on, having two of my songs already released and to be able to wait for my third song now. Well, I hope you're also waiting for my third song to come out this month. And I think this past 1 year of me starting my journey as an artist, being as an artist, has been incredibly unexpected, full of twists and turns in both good and positive ways for me, because I could have never expected that I would even apply to lead the music club at my college, to finally successfully leading one for a whole year, to be able to go to places and stages wherein I could perform when people already knew me as an artist, to having music as a big part of my identity now, from people knowing me from my music, from my songs, and from people being able to relate to my songs for telling me how much my songs mean to them. Thank you so much for just being a part of my journey, not since the day I became an artist, but even before I was an artist. Thank you to my family for watching me since day one. Thank you to my friends for supporting, for hearing me, my songs, giving me feedback. Thank you to every single person who streams, listens, and tells me how my songs are, who support me in this journey. And because I think you always, and I hope you always stay, because it's gonna be a long journey with me. There's so many songs I've already written, and there's so many songs I just keep writing. So it's a long journey. I hope you stay. I hope you keep supporting me. Thank you so much for being there. I would have not become the person I am right now without all of this. Thank you for motivating me, and I just end by saying that I can't wait to write more and I can't wait to release more. Thank you so much.